Number 1. 1978 Ford F150, price $7,500. It comes with a clean Georgia title and the current owner's name and has been well maintained over the years. The truck features a bold brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior, giving it a timeless and rugged look. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 400 cubic inch V8 engine that runs on gasoline, mated to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. The drivetrain performs well, making the truck a dependable driver as it sits. While it's not in perfect condition, it is very presentable and shows minimal to no rust, rare for a truck of this era. The body is solid, and the frame is in good shape, making it a strong candidate for further restoration or customization. It will need new front tires, and like any older vehicle, it could benefit from some additional attention to bring out its full potential. Number 2. 1985 Dodge D100, price $9,000. With 140,000 miles on the odometer, it retains mostly original yellow paint and features a tan interior, preserving its classic charm. The truck runs on gasoline and is equipped with a 904 automatic transmission for smooth shifting. Under the hood lies a 225/6 engine, upgraded with a Clifford 4-barrel intake and exhaust header, paired with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor and a powerful GT45 turbocharger. A Summit Racing 50mm wastegate and boost controller further enhance the performance, making this D100 far from ordinary. The suspension and braking systems have been completely refreshed, including new upper and lower control arms, coil springs, ball joints, tie rod ends, front shocks, brake rotors, wheel bearings, brake hoses, calipers, and pads. A front-end alignment ensures tight, responsive handling. The truck rides on brand new tires, offering reliability and grip. Inside, it features new carpet, sill plates, and door seals, giving the cabin a clean, restored feel while keeping its vintage character intact. Number 3. 1982 Dodge D150, price $7,000. This truck is a classic American pickup and a fine example of the short bed Ram Prospector edition. It is powered by the dependable 318 cubic inch V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, delivering the kind of smooth performance and rugged capability that Dodge trucks of this era are known for. With 155,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has clearly seen the road, yet it continues to run and drive reliably. The exterior is finished in a period-correct brown color that complements the matching brown interior, giving the truck a timeless and cohesive vintage appeal. The cabin retains its original character while offering surprising comfort for its age. One of its standout features is the factory air conditioning, which is still fully functional, a rare and welcome bonus on a truck from the early 1980s. Number 4. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. Showing only 32,000 original miles on the 305 V8 engine. It features a smooth shifting automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, offering classic performance with modern reliability. The exterior is finished in its original white paint, which remains in perfect condition, with no rust anywhere on the body. It rides on new Hankook tires mounted on SS wheels, and the bed is protected with a durable Line X bed liner. Inside, the truck is equipped with cold air conditioning, hot heat, and cruise control, with everything in full working order, making it a comfortable and dependable daily driver or weekend cruiser. This Chevrolet has been extremely well cared for and needs absolutely nothing. It comes with a clean title, making it a very nice, turnkey classic truck ready for its next owner. Number 5. 1996 GMC Sierra, price $6,000. This truck is a well-preserved classic truck with only 98,500 miles on the odometer. It still runs strong with its original V8 engine and features a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Finished in a timeless silver exterior with a blue interior, the truck maintains its vintage charm while offering dependable performance. Within the past year, it has received a new battery, new tires, and a fresh alignment, making it ready for the road. Both the heat and air conditioning are fully functional, ensuring comfort in all seasons. With fewer than 100,000 miles and plenty of life left, this Sierra is a rare find for any enthusiast or daily driver. Number 6. 1988 Ford F350, price $7,000, with a strong 460 cubic inch 7.5L gasoline engine. It features a 5-speed manual transmission with a granny low gear and is equipped with 4-wheel drive, making it well suited for both farm use and daily driving. The truck has 179,000 miles on it and comes finished in a yellow exterior with a clean brown interior. Although it has some rust on the frame, it remains a good running truck overall. The air conditioning and radio are fully functional, and a new battery has recently been installed.
The vehicle has a well-documented service history and includes the original owner's manual. Primarily used on a farm, this F350 has also proven dependable for regular road use. Number 7. 1969 Ford F100, price $9,950, with just 17,000 miles on the odometer. It features a green exterior with white accents and a black interior. Powered by the original 240cc inline 6-cylinder engine and paired with a classic 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, this truck offers a true vintage driving experience. The charming wood bed and vintage flare side spare holder add to its timeless appeal. The truck has received numerous updates to keep it in excellent condition, including a complete brake system overhaul, new carburetor, and fresh fluids for the rear differential and gearbox. The cooling system has been fully refreshed, and the fuel system was flushed for better performance. Recent updates also include new headlights, taillights, and a freshly stained wood bed. Number 8. 1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. The truck has traveled 62,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a brown exterior with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 305 engine, this truck comes with power windows and a long bed. The air conditioning works perfectly, ensuring comfort even in warmer weather. The vehicle is rust-free, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a solid, reliable truck. It runs and drives great, offering smooth performance on the road. New tires and 8-inch rally wheels have been installed, further enhancing its appearance and driving experience. With its strong and solid build, the Chevrolet 1500 remains in excellent condition and ready for use. Number 9. 1991 GMC 1500, price $7,000. This is a classic OBS short bed truck with 155,000 miles. Finished in burgundy with a red interior, it's powered by a 5.7L V8 engine and automatic transmission, running on gasoline. It comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, cruise control fully functional, and a seat that just needs a recharge. The interior features comfortable low-back bucket seats in good condition, a crack-free dash, and a clean headliner. It sits on sport wheels with quality Michelin tires. While the clear coat is fading on the hood and roof and there are minor dings and chips, the truck is overall solid and has great potential to become a standout classic. Number 10. 1972 Ford F150, price $10,000, finished in a bold yellow exterior and complemented by a black interior, it captures the rugged aesthetic of early 70s American trucks. Under the hood, it features a strong-running 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, shifted through a classic Hurst shifter mounted on the floor. The truck has approximately 112,000 miles on the odometer and has been lifted for a more commanding presence. It rides on factory 15-inch wheels wrapped in 32-inch tires, enhancing both its stance and off-road capabilities. Powered by gasoline, this F-150 has received extensive maintenance and upgrades over time, and it now runs amazingly well, ready to drive and enjoy.